Hello friends, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. How you
Good
doing?
morning.
All of you, how you doing? Hello. Okay, fine, thank you. So, good morning, students. I am your biology lecturer now onwards. So, we will start the biology concept to be studied. Okay. I want someone to read the given concept and we go further to study. What do you say? Hello. Listening, all of you. Please mute all of you. Just a second. Okay, students, I want Sonali. Sonali, yeah, listen here. Sonali, start reading the first chapter. Okay, the biology fundamental of life. Tell. You read. I'll explain. You read. Yes, chapter 5. Start reading. She went on. Okay, Pawan Raj, can you read or no? Pawan Raj, you are being observing. Okay, you will be put as an absent here. Spandana, Spandana. Can you
Yes,
read
sir.
or no? Okay, ma, good,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Chapter 5, the fundamental need of life. Start reading.
Yes, sir. The fundamental unit of life. While examining a thin slice of cork, Robert Hooke saw that the cork resembled the structure of a honeycomb consisting of many little compartments. Cork is a substance which comes from the bark of a tree. This was in the year 1665 when Hooke made this chance observation through a self-designed microscope. Robert Hooke called these box cells. Cells is a Latin word for a little room.
Stop. Listen, almost 400 years ago, you might have imagined, you can imagine how the world will be or how the world was actually. No electricity, no technology actually at that moment. Although at that moment, 1665, Robert Hooke is something he made his own instrument. Okay, some like magnifying glass you use, right? You all have used. Similarly, the magnifying glass and some of the other two lenses setup he made, and he start observing in a bark of a tree, wooden piece of a tree. He have seen the cell actually. He have seen. Cell means actually in Latin word empty. Empty space is known as okay cell. You please make down with the pencil on the textbook or somewhere. All of you, I'm saying. Yeah, don't take it easily. Online classes. Okay, ma'am, we will do anything here. Sir, madam will not come to know. No. Life depends upon your knowledge, how you enrich in your knowledge. Okay, 2 years you are not going to classes, offline classes, so it will be hit to you. Okay, now much as possible we go on studying all of the students. And I was not starting of the class. I was not wasting to introduce to okay all about our things. So better you go on forward, making notes with your pencil. Hold on the pencil in your hand and mark there. Cell means in Latin word actually empty space. It's already there here also in the textbook. Okay, mark that. In that, cell means empty room or space. Okay, cell means empty room or space. It's not visible to you, not an issue. Uh, Cell means empty space. Cell means empty space. You need to observe students and you need to follow it. Next, continue. Spandana, you only continue.
Yes, sir. This may seem to be a very small and insignificant incident, but it is very important in the history of science. This was the very first time that someone had observed that living things appear to consist of separate units. The use of the word cell to describe these units is used till this day in biology. Let us find about the cells.
Listen, when actually you are coming offline classes, okay, whenever this all COVID situation goes, no, whenever it comes to offline classes, live classes in my class or in our classroom, okay, and literally I'm gonna show you, mind you, okay, I'm gonna blow your mind actually. Mind blowing, it happens literally. Whenever you come, no, I mean, you may not come this year. If it's God's grace, you will see in the offline only. The self concept, what is, I can talk about that hours together, but I will talk only 20 minutes to you in offline classes. Your mind will be definitely blowing. It cannot happen here because I don't know how many are sitting and how many are not sitting or listening or not listening. It will be not like following clearly. Offline class about cell, I'll tell you. But what I'm in the textbook, I'm going to explain to you. I'm not giving any kind of, less things in the textbook. The rich of textbook knowledge I'm giving to you in the online. But if you want more imagination towards the biology, the science, the life science, what we call, we will have to see it in the offline classes only, if possible. Next year, maybe possible. Let's see. Okay, that's what cell is very important because every material, every living is made up, living thing is made up of cells. Okay, my fingers on, just consider my forefinger. If you cut this forefinger, you will get 10 crore cells in that. Almost 10 crore cells in that. Okay, students, fine thing. What are living organisms made up of? The headline is I want Amrutesh.
Yes, sir.
Can you read?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, then read. What are living organisms made up of?
Sir, activity and
This
cells, sir.
yeah,
Sir, I
activity
can
read. Very good.
let us take a small piece from an onion bud with the help of pair of forceps. We can peel off the skin
Perfect.
called
Perfect.
crypts from the convex side inner layer of the onion. This layer can be put immediately in a watch glass continuously continuing water. This will prevent the peel for getting flowed or getting dry. What do we do with this peel?
Fine. What you have come to know this, you can go do this, not an issue. You can do this in your home activity, and in the next class, you have to tell me what happened, okay, in this activity. Let's continue.
Let us take a glass slide, put a drop of water on it, and transfer a small piece of peel from the watch glass to the side. Make sure that the peel is perfectly flat on the slide. A thin camel hair paintbrush might be necessary to help transfer the peel. Now we put a drop of sulfuran solution on this piece followed by a cover slip. Take care of avoid earbuds while putting the cover slip with the help of mounting needle. Ask your teacher for help. We have prepared a therapy mount of onion peel. We can observe this in slide under low power followed by high powers of compound microscope.
Okay, this we are gonna do in schools only. Whenever the school starts, we are gonna do in schools only because material is not available to you. You can go. I'll share a video. Activity one, I'll mention chapter five, class nine, activity 5.1. I'll mention there, and I will. I'll try to send you the videos. Okay, try to see the videos in that only. A simple experiment is there, not any complicated. Okay, you are just going to see in onion peels their what cells. Okay, almost rectangular shape you see there. Like this. You are gonna see rectangular shape cells there. That's all. Okay. And I want Harsh Agar. Can you read? Harsh, see, the students are going out of the classes, sir. It will be lost to you only. Okay, I'm not going to take any kind of actions, but it will be lost to you only. We will figure it out who's that, if they are going skipping. It's lost to you only. Okay, what we do, man? We are going to punish you. Online, it is possible from online to come and hit you, not right? And why have to go? So next is, okay, Sonali went on, she came again back. Sonali MS,
Yes,
can
sir.
you read? Can you read, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read then. From that microscope, what's
Yes,
this
sir.
matter?
What do you opposite as we look together? The lens can we draw the structure that we are also to see together the atmosphere on his opposite sheet
Microscopic. Microscopic.
microscopic. Can a opposite sheet does it look like
5.2 figure. Stop. Not issue. Not issue. Stop. Yeah. What's there in this is under the microscope. What given the image they are asking whether it looks like that or not. That's all. Okay. And next I want to read Puja SM. Can you read? Puja SM. You at least answer yes or no. No means no. We'll go to forward. No, no, don't worry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you read? Okay. Next
From where I have to read, sir?
next page. Next page.
The shape and size of cells are related to the specific function they perform. Some cells, like amoeba, have changing shapes. In some cases, the cell shape could be more or less fixed. And
Stop. You are skipping a paragraph. Read the top one. We can try preparing temporary.
where, sir?
Top from the top, we can try preparing temporary mounts. What are these structure heading is enough before that? See, okay, you do one thing. What are these structures? Read paragraph. The structures look like similar to each other.
These structures look similar to together. Each other. Together they perform a big structure like an onion bulb. We find from this activity that onion bulbs of different sizes have similar small structures visible under a microscope. The cells of a onion peel will look the same regardless of the size on of the onion they came from. These small structures.
Yeah, that's what is there in that activity. What we have seen, onion balls of different sizes have different small sizes. Okay, some are very bigger. Density also difference. Okay, that's what they are saying. I'll tell you in the upcoming classes what you mean by density, what you mean by different type of things. Okay, students. Next, continue, ma. Continue.
Yes, sir. These small structures that we see are the basic building units of onion bulb. These structures are called cells. Not only onions, but all organisms that we observe around are made up of cells. However, there are also single cells that live on their own.
Yeah. Onion cells, what we have seen means we have not seen, but what we are going to see in the experiment. All of you listen. We are going to just see this like of thousands of cells. Okay, if you take out this one cell out, it will not survive. It will die. That's what they are saying. Some living microorganisms they can live alone only, alone like this, alone. But some animals and plants they won't live. The cells will not. If you detach, cut a piece of cell, piece of muscle, piece of any plant part, they will not survive. That's what they are going to tell. Okay, that's what we call unicellular organisms are different, multicellular organisms are different. All of you getting fine. So you continue.
Yes, sir. I have to read that. Okay.
No,
Cells were
no,
first.
More to know, we will study anyway. So down there of the invention of magnifying lenses.
Yes, sir. The invention of magnifying lenses led to the discovery of the microscope world. It is now known that a single cell may constitute a whole organism as in amoeba.
Okay. The invention of magnifying lenses. I told you, right? Many magnifying lenses have been discovered. I won't say Robert Hooke was only first to discover that somewhat magnifying lens. I won't say that. Before him also might have done. And today we have electronic microscopes actually, not just compound microscopes. We can zoom in into a cell. The cell is not only first of all to our eyes, but instead we can zoom in into very upper level. You can see even the nucleus and DNA very clearly. That's what we want to say here. So, which has led us to discover unicellular organisms like amoeba, okay, chlamydomonas, paramecium, and bacteria. Okay, these are the very important living organisms on this planet Earth. You have to mind it. Algae, also, but amoeba, chlamydomonas, paramecium, and bacteria. These are the very important living organisms, unicellular living organisms. Okay, these organisms are called unicellular. Yeah, unicellular. Uni means they can. That's what I wanted to say. And Deepa, can you read?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
From where do I have to read, sir?
Yeah, that's only. These organisms are called unicellular.
Okay, sir.
Hello, start ma.
Yes, sir. These organisms are called unicellular organisms. Uni equals to single. On the other hand, many cells group together in a single body and assume different functions to form various body parts in multicellular organisms. Multi equals to many, such as some fungi, plants, and animals. Can we find out names of some more unicellular organisms?
Yeah, it's your homework. Find out more information. You have the Google with you. Ah, find out. Continue.
Yes, sir. Every multicellular organism has come from a single cell. How? Cells divide to produce cells of their own kind. All cells thus come from pre-existing cells. Sir, do I have to do the activity?
Wait, wait.
Okay, sir.
See, all of you very see it constantly. See what happened actually. One cell is there now that divides into two. Again, that cell divides. Those daughter cells will divide again two. There will be multiplication here. There will be very multiplication here. All have nucleus in them. All have nucleus in them. See, this cell has come on this planet Earth because of this, and this cell has come here from this. This cell will be from pre-existing. That cell will be from pre-existing. Like that, we will be having, from 350 crore years ago. This is what happening. Cellular multiplication only happening again. That's what they are wanted to say. Cells will come from pre-existing cells. And how, don't ask that how will be the first cell has come, sir. Okay. Still now, we are struggling to find out that how the first cell on this planet Earth has come. It will be better all of you listening. Okay, I'm not the joker, of course, and you are not the jokers here. We are not doing any kind of jokes. We are studying ninth standard prescribed by CBSE, okay, NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. NCERT provided for you who are 15 age students. You are not the jokers to nation, neither to me, neither I am not to you. So very interesting topics and very important topics they are given here. Do not miss the classes anywhere, okay? Anytime. Be in touch, otherwise you will not learn anything in the PUC or in the future you will be in trouble, definitely. That's only I want to say in the offline online classes. If you are offline, I could have taken everyone's personal care and done. But let's see in the future. Fine thing. Huh? What we have seen, the cell comes from pre-existing cells. Continue. You can read activity.
Okay, sir. We can try preparing temporary mounds of leaf peels, tip of roots of onion, or even peels of onions of different sizes. After performing the above activity, let us see what the answers to the following questions would be. Do all the cells look alike in terms of shape and size? Do all cells look alike in structure? Could we find differences among cells for different parts of a plant body? What similarities could we find? Okay, some organisms have can also have cells of different kinds. Look at the following picture. It depicts some cells from the human body. Smooth muscle cell, blood cells, nerve cell. Okay, sir.
Yeah, these are the cells. See there, how different type of cells are there. The nerve cell, I think it has rubbed up. Not issue. Nerve cell, blood cells, ovums, sperm cell, bone cell, and fat cell. Many types of cells are there. Eyes have different type of cells. Hairs have different type of cells. Muscles have different type. Cardiac muscles have different type. Stomach muscles. Our skin have different type of cells. We will see if possible. We will see in the offline classes. I'll show you videos and all things. You will come to know them. How many? Only six are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, not an issue. Next, continue. Uh, you only continue. No problem. Deepa, continue.
Okay, sir. The shape and size of cells are related to the specific function they perform. Some cells, like amoeba, have changing shapes. In some cases, the cell shape could be more and less fixed and peculiar for a particular type of cell. For example, nerve cells have a typical shape. Each living cell has the capacity to perform certain basic functions that are characteristic of all living forms. How does a living cell perform these basic functions? We know that there is a division of labor in multicellular organisms such as human beings. This means that different parts of the human body perform different functions. Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah, main is that's what I want to say. Blood does different work. Your eyes does different work. Tongue does different work. Ears does Ears do different work. Like that, different work will be done because of different type of tissues, and different types of cells. Many types of cells are there. I want to show you, but currently I will upload my video in YouTube channel and share you. Please see that variety of cells are there on this planet. Variety, even you cannot count that many of variety of cells do variety of functions. This is what they want to say. Continue.
Okay, sir. The human body has a heart to pump blood, a stomach to digest food, and so on. Similarly, division of labor is also seen within a single cell. In fact, each cell has got certain specific components within it known as cell organelles. Each kind of cell organelle performs a special function. Yes, sir. Such as making new material in the cell, clearing up the waste material from the cell, and so on. A cell is able to live and perform all its functions because of these organelles. These organelles together constitute the basic unit called the cell. It is interesting that all cells are found to have the same organelles, no matter what their function is or what organism they are found in.
Yeah, a cell won't have only nucleus. You might know in 8th standard or you might know in previous classes. A cell has, along with the nucleus, many other materials in it. If this is a cell, we have important nucleus here, but along with that we have many like mitochondria and all things. We have mitochondria, we have lysosomes, we have Golgi apparatus and all things. We have many things in a cell, not just nucleus. That's what we are saying. Oh, it's a wonderful. They want to say it's a wonderful thing. Obviously, fine. We will see. Next, continue. Read the questions. Read the questions.
Okay, sir. Who discovered cells and how? Sir, Robert Hooke discovered the cell,
Good.
and he discovered it in a microscope, seeing a cork.
Yeah.
Is it right,
Next.
sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Why, why is the cell called the structural and functional unit of life? Because it's the basic block of
Fine
the.
thing. Go on. Go on. Go on. I'm listening. We are listening.
Yes, sir.
We are
Because
listening.
it's the basic block of the organism, and it is where it starts the forming all the organs and organ system and organism.
Okay. Fine. You are exactly right. Hmm? Basic building block of every living being. Okay, which maintains the all kind of life metabolic activities. You can say like that. Huh? Fine thing. What is cell made up of? Read. Okay, I want Harsh Agar to read if possible. Sonali MS. Can you read, ma? Read.
Yes, sir. Made up of what is a structure organism of what say has special comfort called organism. How a cell organ if we study a cell
Wait, wait,
under
wait,
a.
wait, wait. We are
Yes,
going
sir.
to see this in from the next class. Okay. You have 15 minutes break, I think so. Attend the next classes too. Okay. This will be the end of the today's class, biology
No,
class.
sir, we are not having any class. Only today yours class is there, sir.
Fine
You
thing,
can
fine
take
thing.
up
Okay.
to 11:15, sir.
Yeah, but
11:15 you can take, sir.
yeah, ma, but I have to take yeah, ma, but I have to take for
Yes, sir.
PUC.
Okay,
Better
sir.
you
Yes,
go.
sir.
Yeah, study well.
Thank you,
Recall all
sir.
the things. Yeah, recall all the things taught today.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you, sir.